Hello. Hello. This is my Wonder Humble above. I got my bestie right here. Oh, yes, no. Family. Yes. And let me take you to my kids' room. Come on. So this is my daughter Chantel's room, and she really enjoys it. She loves color, she loves flowers. She's such an artist in her own type of way. These are the kids that I took pictures of when I was in Tijuana. Great kids, great kids. Let's come up. This is obviously like the living room, playroom. Every parent knows that. Let me take them to here. My kids, I wanted them to have their bathroom right here. It's just easier to potty train. That's a toilet. This, obviously the sink, and I got a shower. That try to come a little closer to their height so they don't fall. And yes, and I do say they because I have twins. One name is, I always get them so confused. What was their names? You know what? Let's call them this. Bucky and Fifi. Next.
Hey, Bucky and Fifi.
Yep. Getting them ready in the morning is always a challenge. But we have all of this. This is one of their backpacks. The other one loses hers every other day. This class I do have it shut off for purpose reasons, you know. Don't want no paranormal activity such stuff. This is my hallway. It's about give or take about 3 feet long. Don't even know how long that is always. Yes, we do have portraits. I'm very family oriented. PTA meetings means parents teach assistant students. Out drawing. My daughter Mimi, she drew this. She said this is me and her mother, and then her favorite animals: a giraffe, a brown bunny, chocolate, and that is a tiger. No Lion King. I meant to say lion, but anyways, let me take. Oh, I almost fell in there too. This is their desk area. We also do eat here. When one wants to take a nap while doing homework, lay down in here, one on the bed. This is my refrigerator. More guests. You know, just basic white refrigerator. And we won't be out here. No worries. And now, that is it for my home tour. And you guys are out. Hello, we've made it to the kitchen. And, you know, even though Valentine's has passed, there's always room for love. Always. This cat. You would have thought you was at many arms. Red and pink, interior, you know. And then the sinks, gotta get to the sinks. Those are one of a kind. And not many can afford that. You know, this was inspired by Angela White herself. Like China, as you guys know. Very artistic, very pleasing, soothing, loving refrigerator. You know, refrigerator, freezer, just a lot simpler. And only for the price of $1,700. Don't know how many will or wouldn't pay for it. I would. I did. And then this, you know, your pantry. It's not a kitchen if you don't have a pantry of some sort. Whether it's spread it out, or like this, even better, like this. Just throw your bread in there, throw everything. Let's get into this. I can't believe I skipped over this. This is my oven. Kim and Kanye don't got this. If you hide, turn the fan on. And it's different speeds. Fast, median, not medium, median, low. It ain't got off. And it does have a timer on it. And then this is also, my bad guys, I said oven. This is a stove. Glass. But you know, you're so high tech, you just can't remember everything. This, my oven. Let's say you want to make 2 batches of some Slap Your Mama macaroni. You can put them at the same time. You know, you do throw parties and it gets fooling. As you see, people are now arriving. Some are leaving, but that's okay. This toaster oven. slash microwave. Whatever you want to put in there, it does on toast. Only for the price of 600, 1,500 plus installation. I bet Lowe's ain't got that. Ikea. Chairs. Get into it. For the price of $80. Some would beg to differ. I brought cups. Stained glass. Hear that? You hear that? You hear that? Okay, yeah. $8 a cup. And you can put anything you want. Kool-Aid, we do that here. DiGiorno, or whatever that bougie ass wine is. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You know, when you cooking for the fam, you gotta take some time out to relax. Talk it up with them. Like, hey, what's up? You know, all of that good stuff. All of it. Chairs itself, $220. Can't beat it. And, you know, people want to feel like they outside, smoking the doobie. Rest of the staff. Oh, floors. You can't get this nowhere else but IKEA. Look at this. Look at this. Good travel. See? And some people want to take a garden-esque background photo. IKEA got their fake plants. It explains it for itself. Yes, up and down this bitch. Up and down. And that's probably about it. That's probably about it. Oh, wait. Oh, you stopped. Look at the lights. Look at that. Lowe's. Can't get that at Lowe's. You can't get that. You can't get this. You can never get that at Lowe's. And this ain't a dish Lowe's. I like Lowe's, so we're on there next. Let's go. The party is arriving, as you guys see. So.
We be throwing money in a spiral. Every time your girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my hoe. She shake her ass, do the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tightrope. I be blowing up like some pyro. Coupe 150, call it Cairo. If she like